Join me here on StarTide as we dive into one of the biggest mysteries in all of science: what lies beyond the edge of our universe. Imagine everything: the galaxies, stars, and cosmic webs stretching billions of light years might be just one small patch in a far bigger reality we can't even perceive. Scientists call the furthest boundary we can observe the cosmic horizon. But is that truly the edge of existence, or merely the limit of what our eyes and instruments can detect? Today, we'll explore the mind-bending theories that try to answer that question, from multiverse ideas to cosmic inflation, and dimensions beyond anything we know. So fasten your seatbelt, because we're heading to the ultimate frontier, the place where science, philosophy, and imagination collide. To understand what might lie beyond our universe, we first need to understand where our observable universe ends. When astronomers talk about the edge, they're referring to the farthest distance light has traveled since the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. But because the universe has been expanding all that time, the true distance to that cosmic horizon is even bigger, more like 46 billion light-years in every direction. That means the diameter of our observable universe stretches an incredible 93 billion light-years across. Beyond that cosmic horizon, we simply cannot see, not because there's a wall, but because light from those regions hasn't had time to reach us yet. It's like standing in a foggy field. There's no edge you can touch, but your vision still has a limit. We also hit another barrier: the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. This faint glow of ancient radiation is the oldest light we can detect, coming from about 380,000 years after the Big Bang. Beyond the CMB, the universe was opaque, so we can't look back any further using ordinary light. Scientists use clever techniques, like studying the patterns in this ancient radiation, to probe what happened just fractions of a second after the Big Bang. But no matter how powerful our telescopes become, a fundamental horizon always exists, limiting how far we can directly observe. And so, the concept of the universe's edge is both physical and philosophical. It's a horizon defined by the speed of light and the relentless expansion of space itself. So if the observable universe is just a cosmic bubble defined by how far light has traveled, the big question is, what's outside that bubble? Are there galaxies, stars, and space similar to ours stretching on forever? Or does the universe have a true edge where reality itself ends? One of the most fascinating ideas is the concept of a multiverse, the possibility that our universe is just one bubble among countless others. Imagine space as a frothy sea, with each bubble a separate universe, each possibly having different physical laws, particles, or even dimensions. In one version of this theory, called eternal inflation, the rapid expansion that started our universe keeps going elsewhere, endlessly spawning new universes. Each new bubble inflates into its own cosmos, separated from the others by regions expanding faster than light can cross. Another multiverse idea arises from quantum physics. In this scenario, every quantum event splits reality into multiple timelines, creating a vast tree of parallel universes where every possibility plays out somewhere. And there's string theory, which predicts extra dimensions curled up too small to see. According to some models, our universe might be a giant three-dimensional brain floating in a higher dimensional space. If that's true, then beyond our universe's edge could be other brains, other universes, hovering just out of reach, perhaps colliding with ours from time to time and leaving traces in the cosmic microwave background. Some scientists have even searched for subtle patterns in the CMB that might be scars from such cosmic collisions. But not all theories demand multiple universes. Some propose our universe might be infinite. In that case, what lies beyond the edge of what we conceive as is simply more universe, more galaxies, stars, and cosmic structures extending without end. That's both comforting and staggering to imagine. Because if space is infinite, then somewhere out there, far beyond our cosmic horizon, could be regions nearly identical to ours, or utterly alien. Ultimately, what lies beyond the edge of the observable universe remains one of the greatest mysteries in all of science. The idea that there could be something beyond our universe's edge doesn't just challenge physics. It shakes the very foundations of philosophy and how we see ourselves. Because if there's a multiverse, then our universe, with all its galaxies and life, might be just one among countless others, possibly making us far less unique than we once believed. Imagine other universes with different physical laws, where stars never formed, or where gravity is so strong that everything collapses instantly, or universes where intelligent life arose, but under completely different rules of nature. This leads us to the anthropic principle, a philosophical idea suggesting that we see this particular universe because it's the only one compatible with observers like us. In other words, if universes exist with all possible variations, it's no surprise we find ourselves in one that allows life. But it's also deeply unsettling. If infinite universes exist, then somewhere there could be copies of you living slightly different lives. In another universe, maybe you're an astronaut, a king, or someone who made entirely different choices. Philosophers debate whether these other versions of you are truly you, or simply mathematical possibilities with no real connection to your conscious mind. Are they part of your identity, or utterly separate beings you'll never meet? There's also a profound question. Does beyond the universe even mean anything if we can never reach or observe it? Some scientists argue it's not a scientific question if we can't test it. Others believe expanding our theories, even into the speculative, is how science grows. And then there's the human side of all this. Contemplating infinite universes, higher dimensions, and cosmic edges can make us feel tiny, like specks of dust in a vast, indifferent cosmos. Yet it can also fill us with awe, reminding us that we're part of a universe grander and more mysterious than we ever imagined. Whether beyond our cosmic edge lies endless repetition, strange physics, or absolute nothingness, the very act of wondering connects us to something bigger. So, with all these mind-bending theories, where does the science stand right now? What are researchers doing to learn what might lie beyond our cosmic edge? The truth is, observing past the cosmic horizon is impossible because space itself is expanding faster than light can bridge the gap. Yet scientists are pushing the limits of what we can see. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are peering deeper than ever, capturing light from the universe's earliest galaxies. These observations help refine our models of cosmic inflation and the early universe, clues that might hint at what's outside our observable bubble. Another approach looks for tiny patterns in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the oldest light we can observe. Some physicists believe circular imprints or unusual alignments in this ancient light could be evidence of collisions between our universe and others. Researchers are also studying the topology of the universe, its overall shape and structure. If space is curved or finite in a particular way, we might see repeating patterns in the sky, revealing hints about what lies beyond. But despite all our efforts, a fundamental truth remains. There's a limit to what telescopes and technology can reveal. No matter how far we look, there's always a cosmic horizon beyond which light will never reach us. Still, scientists keep searching, driven by the hope that indirect clues might one day reveal secrets of the worlds beyond our cosmic shore. After all the science, all the theories, and all the mysteries, what's the most likely answer to the question, what lies beyond our universe's edge? The truth is, we don't know. But the most compelling possibility is that beyond our cosmic horizon lies simply more universe. If space is infinite, then galaxies, stars, and cosmic structures might keep going forever, far past what we can observe. That means our entire observable universe could be just a tiny speck in an unfathomably vast cosmos. But there's another possibility just as staggering, that beyond our visible bubble are completely separate universes, each with their own laws of physics, particles, and dimensions. It could be a cosmic ocean filled with bubbles, each one an entire universe drifting in higher dimensional space. Or perhaps there's truly nothing beyond. Maybe our universe is all there is, an isolated island of existence surrounded by absolute nothingness. It's a sobering yet powerful thought that the edge of our universe might also be the edge of reality itself. And so, beyond our universe's edge might lie infinity, or mystery forever hidden from our eyes. So here's what we know. The edge of our universe isn't a wall, it's a horizon defined by light and time. Beyond it might lie infinite galaxies, other universes, or perhaps nothing at all. No matter what's out there, the mystery fuels our curiosity and pushes science to its very limits. Because exploring the unknown, no matter how far away, is part of what makes us human. Thanks for joining me on this journey here on StarTide. What do you think lies beyond the edge of our universe? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, check out our video on the multiverse and the hidden dimensions of space. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.